my name is Christine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Then we are going to sift flour and cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda and salt. And then we're just gonna sift it. We're going to put in sugar, and then we're going to put in our butter, and then we were going to mix it carefully. But if you're using a small bowl, you kind of have to be careful or else it'll fly everywhere. So as you can see, I changed it into a bigger bowl because that bowl was way too small and all the flour and everything else went flying, so now I have a bigger bowl. We're going to move it aside and we're going to get another bowl, and we are going to put in buttermilk, 3 eggs, and vanilla extract. And then we're going to put dark red food coloring to make it like the red, so it becomes actually red. Because it looks brown right now, kind of, so we add the red. You can add as many drops as you want, but for now I'm going to add like 7. So it should look like this. Now we're going to get our dry ingredients, and we are going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And then after it's mixed, it should kind of look like this. Then we're going to get our liners, and then we're going to put them in each one. And we are going to get an ice cream scoop, and then we're going to put it in each one, trying to get it around the same amount, so then they look like they're the same size. And then after we fill all of them, we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're like poof up and they're kind of like spongy. These are what it should look like after you take it out of the cupcake pan and after they cool. There are like a hole in it because you can put a toothpick in, and then if like a few crumbs or it's not gooey or anything in the middle, then that means it's done. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to be making the cream cheese frosting as decoration. Thank you. Bye!